Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Jasmy video update for Monday 15th of August. Yesterday we had this discussion and I laid that discussion in front of you that if Jasmy had one freaking last test and it failed yet again. It bloody failed. Okay, it went to the upside, met the technical target, amazing. All right, round of applause. But the thing is, it's meaningless. I told you it's gonna be meaningless if you're just wicking up here and ending up coming to the downside, wicking up here again, coming to the downside, wicking there, coming to the downside. It's bloody useless. Okay, simple put. And the comments about it just remains the same as before. What you want to see for Jasmy is you want to come up to that resistance, you want to smash that resistance, you want to kill those bears, cross them, have a volume, come for the retest. We're moving up. Now, I'm not saying it's bad or anything. I'm not saying it's going to start a downtrend or something like that. Now, I do believe that it's going to come down lower if and only if you lose this level, 0.009599 level. If you lose that level, then in my opinion, you're going to look to come down to the 8844. Now let's dive into the daily, because the daily is the safe haven and the daily is the absolute best place to look at Jasmy. So here we are. Okay, still, oh no, maybe I'm speaking too soon, because yesterday I was expecting this bull cross to be a successful one, but unfortunately you can actually notice that how many times you have been trying to cross this 55 EMA, but any time you cross that 55 EMA, it ended up in a wick to the downside, came wick again and came to the downside. So the wicks, only the wicks went above the EMAs, but they never actually close above the EMAs, and that's a failure. So there is a squeeze happening now, and that's going to be this 10 EMA, the 55 EMA, and the 20 EMA coming together. And they're going to give this decision by 21 of August at maximum time. So anytime before that, could be today, could be tomorrow, anytime before that, you might start to actually cross them or just pop to the downside as well, right? So this is something I cannot answer. This is something that the chart's going to make the move, and we're going to get the answer when the moves are done. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.